Global brands like Isuzu, Kobelco, Mandalja, PepsiCo, Kellogg's, Alstom, Foxconn, Colgate, Palmolive, and several more are all here. Always this area is very interesting area. One side Chennai, another side Nellore, Krishnapatnam, third side is Tirupati. These three places are also very important places. Chennai always 55 kilometers from here, one of the best urban infrastructure. And also we were all in Chennai once, Madras Presidency State. At that time Andhra Pradesh, even Karnataka, South India totally are in Chennai as the capital. And also Krishnapatnam, Nellore, you are having one of the best ports. Chennai, there is a port. Krishnapatnam, there is a port. Tirupati, one of the best city emerging because of Lord Balaji, one of the most powerful God. I strongly believe it, living God in this junction. So these are all